state unit of Vijnana Bharati at central level organizes, along with Vigyan Prasar Delhi and Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa, with these co-organizers who are also the sponsors of this mega event. We also have the co-organizers, Entertainment Society of Goa, National Institute of Oceanography under the aegis of Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, and the organizing partners like Director of Education, Government of Goa, Goa Engineering College, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research, NCPOR, Inox Theatre, NCBM India, ICAR, CCARI, NIT and Indosan. On behalf of all these organizers, I, Ms. Sangeeta Abhyankar, welcome the gathering, which includes our dignitaries, our special invitees, scientists, science students, science communicators, science teachers, movie makers, short film makers, documentary makers, and the curators, and everyone who just loves the powerful medium of cinema. So Sci-Fi aims to celebrate the collaboration between science and cinema. So let's begin this celebration with the formal inauguration ceremony. For this ceremony, we have with us Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Shri Subhash Pardesai, Chairman of Entertainment Society of Goa. We have Shri Levinson Martins, Director, Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa. We also have with us Dr. Nimish Kapoor, Head of Science Film Festival Division, Vigyan Prasar, Delhi. We have Professor Harilal Menon, representing Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Professor Varun Sahni. We have Shri Shekhar Sardesai, the patron of Sci-Fi and CEO of Kineco Group. We have with us Dr. Eknath Chakurkar, Principal Scientist at ICAR's Central Coastal Agricultural Research Institute, that is CCARI. Then we have Shri Jayant Sahasrabuddhe, who is National Organizing Secretary of Vigyan Bharati. Then we have Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh, who is the Chairman of Organizing Committee of Sci-Fi 2021, who is also the Director of CSIR's National Institute of Oceanography. And we have our own host, Shri Suhas Godse, President of Vigyan Parishad, Goa. So, before I request them to usher the dignitaries on their days, I invite here Ms. Tanvi Matondkar for the invocation song.
मेधावाणी भारती त्वं विद्या माता सरस्वती ब्राह्मी भाषा वर्णमयी पराध्यां कृतिरव्यया विकल्पा निर्विकल्पा च कलानादमयी प्रिया कालशक्ति सर्वरूपा शिवश्रुतिररुत्तमा नमस्ते शारदे देवी सरस्वती मतिप्रदे वसत्वं मम जिह्वाग्रे सर्वविद्याप्रदा भव बुद्धिं यशो दे कवित्वं देहि देहि मे मूढत्वं चित् हरे देवी त्राहि मां शरणागतं त्राहि मां शरणागतं. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanvi, for this sanctifying, melodious invocation of Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Sharada, or Vagdevi. India is the only place on this planet having goddess of knowledge, arts, literature, music, speech, wisdom and learning worshipped as Devi Sharada. Vagdevi, which is incompletely translated in English as goddess of speech, because the meaning of the word speech and the Vani in Sanskrit are far apart from each other. When we say Vani, it encompasses four deeper levels called as Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari. What is created and generated at the deeper and inner levels of Para, Pashyanti and Madhyama gets a vocal linguistic expression called as Vaikhari, which may be called as speech. So by invoking this goddess, I now request President of Vigyan Parishad Goa, Professor Suhas Godse, and the chairman of organizing committee of this SciFi 2021, Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh, to escort all the dignitaries of today's function to the dais. And the dignitaries are Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Shri Subhash Pardesai, Chairman ESG, Shri Levinson Martins, Director DST and WM Government of Goa, Dr. Nimish Kapoor, Head Science Film Festival Division, Vigyan Prasar. We have with us Professor Harilal Menon, who is representing Vice Chancellor of Goa University. We have Shri Shekhar Desai, patron of SciFi and CEO of Kineko Group. We have Dr. Eknath Chakurkar, Principal Scientist at CCARI. We have Shri Jayanta Sahasrabuddhe, National Organizing Secretary of Vigyan Bharati. And I request both the hosts, that is Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh and Dr. Suhas Godse, to also have the seat on the dais. Let's welcome the round of applause. And with this, I invite President of Vigyan Parishad, Professor Suhas Godse, to deliver welcome address.
It's a great day of pleasure and expectations, because we have all gathered here in a situation where we have to take all precautions that we go back safe from here and remain safe thereafter. Well, Science Film Festival begins today, and for this function we have dignitaries on dais. Very important thing, we have amongst us the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who has been always supporting this activity, and he is the chief patron of this event. Thank you, sir, for being with us, and it's your encouragement that has helped us to grow and sustain this activity. We have amongst us other people like Shri Subhash Pardesai, who is the Vice Chairman of Entertainment Society of Goa, which is right here that we are. And then we have Jayanta Sahasrabuddhe, and I must tell here that he has travelled all the way, taking all the risks from Delhi to Goa, and to be amongst us, that this program should go on successfully and should be properly conducted. We have amongst us Dr. Levinson Martins, who is the Director of Science and Technology and Waste Management, and he has been supporting this activity right from its inception. And then we have amongst us Shri Harilal Menon ji, who is representing the Vice Chancellor of Goa University. Goa University has been a part of our activity right from beginning, and Harilal ji, thank you for being with us. And then Shri Shekhar Sardesai is a young entrepreneur of Goa, somebody who has been working with the Atmanirbhar concept for over a decade, and he has achieved name all over the world rather, wherein even NASA has collaboration with his firm. So Shekhar Sardesai is special to us because he's also a patron of this event. So thank you, Shekhar, for being with us. Dr. Eknath Chakurkar, who is with us today, is the acting director of Coastal Agriculture Research Center of ICAR, and he has been right from beginning supporting this activity. So Chakurkar sir, thank you for being with us. I thank Nimish Kapoorji, the representative of Vigyan Prasar, who are also co-sponsors and partners in this event. And along with him, the other officials of Vigyan Prasar, Shri Sabyasachi Bhartiji or Santosh Pandeji. So I welcome them also for being with us. And I welcome other dignitaries who are in the audience here, like Dr. Ramesh Kumar, who is with us, Shri Sarmukadam ji, who has made it a point to be with us, and many others. And most important thing, the chairman of this organizing committee, Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh ji, who is also the director of NIO. He is with us right from day one, and I welcome you, sir, also, though you are actually the host of this event. One sentence I want to say about science and film. This is the issue, or this is the concept on which we have been working for the last 5 years. I'll just give a small example. About 15-20 years back, there was a film, Jurassic Park, and it was a game changer for us. Or slightly prior to that, there was Star Wars. Now these movies have opened the eyes of general public to space, or about the life that existed on this earth, etc. Because you know that today's children know dinosaurs right from the KG days. Right when they are in kindergarten, they have toys of dinosaurs. But 50 years back, dinosaur was only in the textbook, and we used to learn about only 5-6 specimen. Another thing is that every week you'll find in newspapers a new dinosaur fossil has been found. See, why are the people taking cognizance of such an animal which has been dead for last more than 200 million years? Well, the reason is that there is a general awareness which was caused by a film, and that is how I say that films are important in causing awareness about science, and this is an attempt. We at the moment are at a very preliminary stage wherein we are showing the films, but I hope over the years in India we will be able to generate films which will again propagate the message. In fact, we have very rich heritage of the past, and some attempt will have to be done to bring to the forefront, make people aware about the achievements of our own country in science through films. Thank you very much, and please take care, take all precautions here, and please enjoy the coming days of festival. Thank you very much.
Was telling us about the basic concept of Sci-Fi 2021. Let me have a quick overview of what's going to happen in the 2 days and what happened yesterday. Yesterday, that is 16th March, we had a workshop on for press reporters and editors, which was conducted in Media Room, and today and tomorrow, 2 days are full of activities. Today, we will be having the screening of the science feature films right in this auditorium of Inox. Then we will have in the Auditorium 1 of McKinney's Palace Teachers Workshop, which is simultaneously going on today and tomorrow. Then we also have innovation exhibition in the old GMC building. So I request the students and the teachers who have come here, whenever they have free time, do visit the exhibition either today or tomorrow. And we also have a filmmaking workshop and masterclass going on at McKinney's Palace Auditorium 2. So with those activities which are overpowering the 2 days, the time that we have actually curtailed due to the pandemic situation, make the most of the 2 days. With these words, it's time now to have a floral welcome of the dignitaries on the days. I request the organizing secretary of SciFi 2021, Shri Ashish Thakur Desai, to welcome the Chief Minister of the state of Goa with Aromaticus. Since our Chief Minister is also Ayurvedic doctor, he would appreciate. So the Samay Prajwalan marks the inauguration or beginning of this 2-day festival. The flames symbolizing creativity, scientific temperament, storytelling, sound scientific base, communication, technology, imagination, and the minds of viewers ignited to appreciate scientific films or sci-fi films. With the permission of the dignitaries on the days, there is little change in the protocol. And with that, I now request Sri Levinson Martins, Director of DST and WM, to speak on this occasion.
Respected Honorable Chief Minister of Goa was conceptualized about 6 years back. I remember Professor Godse and our dear friend Jayant Rao Saraswati, we had discussed. And from then now 6 years, this is continuing. It's a very innovative type of event which instills scientific temperament, love for science among the students and people at large. Now this is the 6th year we have been holding this event, and with this, for this event, Government of Goa through Department of Science and Technology has partnered with Vigyan Parishad Goa, which is the state unit of the Vigyan Bharati at the national level. Besides that, prestigious institutes of this country like NIO, National Institute of Ocean Research, Goa University, ICAR, and other institutes. Now, as I said, the aim of this festival is to understand science through films. So you have love for science, and you also enjoy the films. The government of Goa has taken a lot of interest in initiatives to ensure that Goa is not only a land for fun and other things, but also a science hub. Now for this, Department of Science and Technology, the Honorable Chief Minister has been kind enough to help us to formulate schemes for conducting workshops in schools, higher secondaries, research in colleges, student projects in engineering colleges, polytechnics. We have been doing, in fact, with the help of Honorable CM, we overshot our actual limitation in the projects, and the cabinet has approved us, sir, for giving more than what was actually envisaged initially. So we may like to expand this now further. Now, the idea is to ensure that we have been also conducting our annual flagship is of Manohar Parrikar Vindhyan Mahotsav beside the film festival. So we ensure that nothing is lacking in providing finance, funds, and your encouragement for young minds to excel. We want to see, sir, our young minds to excel at the national level as scientists and also at the stage at the world level, so that Goa's name shines, at the world level. I wish Science Festival all the very best, and as has been there for all these years. Thank you very much.
फिल्म्स ये बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट ऐसा माध्यम है और विज्ञान परिषद गोवा ने इसी माध्यम को ध्यान में रखते हुए इस माध्यम के द्वारा लोगों तक विज्ञान पहुंचाना, इस प्रकार का एक उद्देश्य अपने मन में लेकर कार्य सतत जारी रखा है। आज एक विशेष संयोग है कि मेरे मित्र और गोवा के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री, हम सभी के बहुत अच्छे परिचित ऐसे स्वर्गीय मनोहर पर्रिकर जी का द्वितीय पुण्य स्मरण आज के दिन हम सब मिलकर कर रहे हैं। हम सब जानते हैं कि वो विज्ञान के ही छात्र रहे, अभ्यासक रहे और विज्ञान को लोगों तक ले जाने में, समाज को विज्ञान की दृष्टि देने में उनको बड़ा उत्साह था और उसी के कारण विज्ञान परिषद गोवा के इस कार्यक्रम को वो सतत अपना समर्थन देते रहे, सहयोग करते रहे ताकि ये कार्यक्रम आगे बढ़े। और आज हम जानते हैं कि जैसे मनोहर पर्रिकर जी आधुनिक विज्ञान के अच्छे अभ्यासक हैं, वर्तमान गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री अपने देश के प्राचीन विज्ञान के अभ्यासक हैं और वो भी आधुनिक विज्ञान और प्राचीन विज्ञान को एक साथ जोड़कर विज्ञान लोगों के अंदर ले जाना, इसकी बहुत मन से इच्छा रखते हैं और इस कार्यक्रम को आज भी वो बहुत उत्साह से इसके पीछे खड़े रहकर आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। आज बहुत ही एक अच्छा योग है कि स्वर्गीय मनोहर जी के द्वितीय पुण्य स्मरण पर संयोग से इस कार्यक्रम का प्रारंभ कर रहे हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि ये कार्यक्रम गोवा में लोगों तक विज्ञान ले जाने में सफल होगा। नमस्कार।
अभी बहुत व्यस्तता के कारण हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को यहाँ से जल्दी प्रस्थान करना है, तो जैन जी की भाषा में कहा जाए तो मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ वैद्य प्रमोद सावंत जी।
Science Film Festival, along with me, Mr. Subhash Fardesai, the Vice Chairman of the ESG, Sir Levinson Martin, the Director for the Science and Technology, Mr. Nimish Kapoor, it is an Head of the Science Film Festival of the Vigyan Prasar, Mr. Jayentrao Sahasrabudhe, National Organizer Secretary of the Vigyan Bharati, Sri Suhas Godse, the President for the Vigyan Parishad Goa, and Mr. Sunil Kumar Singh, Director for the CSIR Goa, and rest all the dignitaries on the dais, among the dais, and in the audience. मुझे मोगाळ भाव आणि भयणानो, गोंयभरांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या स्कुलांतल्यान आयिल्ल्या सगळ्या स्टुडंट्स हांगासर सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल पळोवपा खातीर गेली 6 वर्सां कंटिन्युअसली येता, ज्यांच्या संकल्पनेंतल्यान हो कार्यक्रम सुरू जाल्लो तांच्या पुण्यतिथी स्वर्गीय मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर. इंटेंशन इतकेंच आशिल्लें, जयंतराव सहस्रबुद्धे यांच्यांनी क्लियर केलें की सायन्स फिल्माच्या माध्यमांतल्यान भुरग्यां पर्यंत पावचें आनी इनोवेटीव थिंग्स सगळ्या भुरग्यांक कळच्यो. म्हाका दिसता गेली 6 वर्सां कंटिन्युअसली गोंय सरकार आपल्या परीन हो कार्यक्रम करता. हाका जोडून आमी मनोहर पर्रीकर विज्ञान महोत्सव सुरू केलो, ज्या अंदू व्हर्च्युअल मोडांतल्यान विज्ञान महोत्सव सगळ्या पर्यंत पावपाक हाचो आमी प्रयत्न केलो आनी म्हाका निश्चितच दिसता त्या निमित्तान सायन्स जे आसा हें गोंयांत आजुनूय बी म्हणजे तुमच्या सारकेल्या यंग टॅलंटेड ब्रिलियंट मायंड हांच्या मदीं ते वयतले. कितल्या जाणांक सायंटिस्ट जावप आवडटले? हात वयर करात. एकटोच सायंटिस्ट जावपाक कितल्या जाणांक आवडटलें 1 2 3 4 बरें आहा मुवी मेकर जावपाक कितल्या जाणांक आवडटलें फिल्म तयार करपाक कितल्या जाणांक आवडटलें तरी 2 3 हिरो जावपाक कितल्या जाणांक आवडटलें आनी हिरोईन येस व्हेरी गुड ताळ्यो दी ताका सुद्दां ताळ्यो मारा सगळे जाण नेटान ताळ्यो मारा अरे सायन्स फिल्मान आसूनी किंवा इतर फिल्मान आसूनी कितें तरी जावप हें म्हत्वाचें आसा आमी कितें तरी जातले आसत जाल्यार आमचें इनोवेटीव मायंड आमचो थिंकींग प्रोसेस हो आमी विचार करपाक सुरवात करची पडटली सरकारान सुरू केला सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल म्हणून येवन फक्त पळयतले बसतले आयकतले आनी वयतले न्ही What is the intention behind this science film festival? Jayantrao Sahasrabudhe has cleared. What is our intention? तुमच्या मध्ये जे आसा हे इनोव्हेशन्स येवपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंट म्हणजे हाजे जर तुम्ही सगळे पार्टनर्स पळयले फॉर द ऑर्गनायझिंग दीस फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स दे आर व्हेरी मच इन द रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड फील्ड तुम्ही ICR घेयात इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च तुम्ही NIO घेयात नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द ओशनोग्राफी तुम्ही गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ द गोवा वेरियस इन्स्टिट्यूट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा म्हाका दिसता ह्या निमित्तान हांव आत्तां आमचो मिस्टर सुनील कुमार हांच्या कडेन उलयतालो की देर आर द वेरियस इन्स्टिट्यूट इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा हाजी इन्फॉर्मेशन्स आमच्या स्टुडंट्सां पर्यंत पावपाक जाय देर इज अ वर्कशॉप डिफरंट वर्कशॉप फॉर द टिचर्स फॉर द रिपोर्टर्स फॉर द वेरियस इन द फील्ड बट तितूंतल्या तितूर गोंयांत आसलेली सगळी इन्स्टिट्यूट्स आमी वीच इज अ रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड इन्स्टिट्यूट ही भुरग्यांक कळपाक जाय आणि ताच्याच खातीर आणि आमी म्हणटा की विशेष करून त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटांक आमच्या आतां भुरग्यांनी जर विजीट केली जाल्यार निश्चितच आमकां रिसर्च करपाचो जो तांच्या मदीं एक आवड निर्माण जावपाक जाय ती जावपाक लागतली आणि ताकाच लागून मागीर ते गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट आसतलें नॅशनल NIT आसतलें नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी IIT आसतली गोवा इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज आसतली गोवा फार्मसी कॉलेज आसतली ICR आसतली नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द पोलार सायन्स which is the government central government institute in the state of Goa ताज्या उपरांत गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी आसतली किंवा FDA आसतले आमची वेरियस अशी डिपार्टमेंट्स आसा की ज्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी एट प्रेझेंट गोंय स्टेटीन इन्स्टिट्यूट लेवलाचेर किंवा डिपार्टमेंटल लेवलाचेर वी आर डुईंग द रिसर्च इन द वेरियस फील्ड तो रिसर्च म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी भुरग्यांनी आतां पळोवपाची गरज आसा आणि ते जर पळयत म्हणजे एके वाटेंतल्यान म्हणजे थ्रू द फिल्म वी आर गिविंग द नॉलेज आणि दुसऱ्या वाटेंतल्यान प्रॅक्टिकली थंयसर आमी कितें चल्लां हें जर पळयत म्हणजे डेफिनेटली हांव एक सांगतलो की आमचो मिस्टर तातुरकर इज हियर ही इज ऑल्सो इन द ऑर्गनायझर्स इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च हे प्रत्येक भुरग्यान पळोवचें इट इज नॉट ओनली विथ द एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च बट वेरियस टायप ऑफ रिसर्च दे आर डुईंग इन देर इन्स्टिट्यूट एट प्रेझेंट वीच इज द नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट टिचर्सांनी इनिशिएटिव्स घेवन ICR सारकेल्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनांक भेट दिवप किंवा गोंयांतल्या तमाम जाका इंट्रस्ट आसा keeping the interest in the science field, keeping the interest in the research field, they should visit the ICR. And definitely एकदा तरी ते इन्स्टिट्यूट पळोवपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता कारण ज्या पद्दतीन ते वेरियस फील्ड इन एनिमल आसतले इन एग्रीकल्चर आसतले इन फूड प्रोडक्शन्स आसतले किंवा इन एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च आसतले वेरियस रिसर्च आनी सो मेनी सायंटिस्ट इज प्रेझेंट इन देर इन्स्टिट्यूट त्या खातीर जेका जेका इंट्रस्ट ज्या ज्या फिल्डात आसा तांच्यांनी आतां पासून गोंयांत आसलेली वेरियस इन्स्टिट्यूट्स तांच्यांनी ह्या हातूंतल्यान पळोवपाची वचून प्रत्यक्ष अनुभवची हाची गरज आसा आनी ह्याच हातूंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता तें इंटेंशन जें आमचें आसा वीच इज नवीन इन यंग मायंड्स तुमी इनोव्हेशन्स फिल्डांत काम करचें निश्चितच तें सक्सेसफूल जावपाक जाय म्हणून सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल आसा. So once again I am congratulating for all the organizers, those who are participating in this organization of the Science Film Festival. Every time we are helping through our Science and Technology Department for the Vigyan Parishad, for the Vigyan Bharati. In future also, definitely we will help you to organize this type of various activities in the research field. So the students can take the initiatives and do the various research in the different fields. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for being